Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to make a video on desk makeover. So if you're interested in the video, stay tuned. This is my work desk right now. As you all can see, it's completely empty. So today we will just transform this by adding some good aesthetic stuff on it. So let's just see. So right, let's completely empty. First of all, what I'll be adding is some shelves, wooden shelves, so that I'll be having some space to add good little cute stuff on it. So these are the wooden shelves which I assembled by myself, which I brought from the Amazon. See, this I'll be aligning like this. Create a new room. These shelves will create a new room. As you can now see, I have added some good wooden shelves. So it has created a good room to add some good cute little stuff on it. So first of all, I'll be adding this frame. This I purchased from DIY just to add my photos. Later I'll be putting up my cute pictures on this, so that whenever I'm working on it, so I feel good. It has started looking already good. Then I'll be adding a cute lamp. This is a working lamp, bedside table lamp, which I'll be adding over here. Now I'll be adding few drawers. So these are the two set of drawers which I purchased from DIY. See, they are in two layers, 1 and 2. I have shown this to you earlier also. Now I'll be adding this as a drawers on my desk over here. This has created a good room. Another box which is from DIY. I'll be putting few good stuff in it, so whenever I'm working my diaries and all, I can put it in this. See, this looks good now. I'll keep this here. Now again, this I have purchased from Miniso. This is a small, you can say it creates shelves to add stuff while you are working, like your pens and your daily stationery essentials. Next up, I'll be adding this cute mini clock, and I'll put it on this stand. Just do tell me if you want the links to buy these things. I will put them down below. Another cute aesthetic, like artificial flowers, which I can keep on the desk. Will just enhance the beauty. A cute glass in which I'll keep my markers. It's a glass which I purchased from Miniso again. I'll be keeping it here. A basket again which I purchased from DIY. This I will keep over here. So as of now you can see it has started. I have started filling this up. Now I'll be adding one layer. It's a plastic shelf which I purchased from DIY just to add more space. And here I'll be putting this. This is a dragon egg, you can say, where I can keep the pens. It's a pen stand which is in shape of dragon egg, which I purchased from Amazon. It's really cute, guys. Artificial flowers which I purchased from DIY. This is a dust brush. When you are having some eraser dust or other type of dust on your desk, you can just dust it off. It's in a very cute egg shape. Some paper, note papers, just to add some. If you are writing some important things, you can make rough notes with the help of this. And a pot, an artificial flower pot, which is again from Mr. DIY. It's a cute rotating pen stand which I purchased from Miniso. See, it is having such a cute print on it, and it's rotating also. Adds another level of aesthetic to your desk. Now a basket. This is a Miniso basket. In this I can keep some good amount of stuff. And this is a paper cutter which I can keep over this like this. And another big cute plastic box which is from again Miniso. See, now it's looking so filled up. Now my favorite, which is my daily planner, which I use, which is from the brand Alicia Souza. I'll be putting this up over here. Some important diaries, my good important diaries, I'll keep it here. And just to add a little bit more, I'm in love with the plush toys, with soft cute little toys, so I'll be keeping this soft toy also there. Soft squirrel soft toy. So now see how my desk is looking. It has completely modified. See. So if you like this, I'll just give a zoom view of this. So this is the close preview of my desk. So this is a close preview. So the plants which I have kept aside, these are adding a beautiful aesthetic to my desk. So this was my desk makeover video. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Blush and Doodles. Here I create more stuff related to beauty and stationery. So I hope you liked it, and please comment down below what you like the most and what do you want to see in future. Thank you guys. See you. Bye bye.